What would you do if you knew you could achieve maximum physical strength by investing only about 12 minutes of exercise?
The concept of Exercise Science, LLC, started to germinate in my mind when I was 18 years old and started training individuals at a local health club. More recently, we've identified a phenomenon called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is age-related muscle wasting, and it's important to realize that this is not due to the aging process itself. It's merely correlated with the aging process. It's really due to disuse atrophy. We have the entire line of Med-X spine care technology equipment. This equipment was designed and manufactured specifically with our exercise protocol in mind.
According to an overwhelming body of evidence, high-intensity interval training promotes equal to or better adaptations than long, slow, less intense exercise. Between 2 and 3 12-minute sessions a week have been shown to be as effective or superior with high-intensity interval training to that of longer, slower distance training. For example, an hour of exercise on a treadmill.
Susan is an ideal example. She's been training with me for over 20 years. She was in a motorcycle accident, fracturing all of her ribs and puncturing a lung. She spent a few weeks in the hospital and then was homebound for some time. We started her rehabilitation. Now, as you can see, she is at or above her previous level of performance.